Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through a super useful Power By trick, how to create interactive bookmarks using buttons. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up clickable bookmarks to toggle between different views or data columns on your Power By report, perfect for adding a professional touch and enhancing your dashboard's usability. So let's jump right in. First things first, open up Power By Desktop. If you're already working in a report, make sure you're on the page where you want to add your bookmarks. Bookmarks in Power By let you save different views so viewers can switch between scenarios with just a click. It's kind of like creating preset snapshots that you can jump between, which is great for highlighting specific insights. Now let's create two buttons for our bookmarks. In Power By, go up to the Insert tab and choose Button. There are several styles, but for our purpose, something simple like blank or rectangle works well. Add one button, then repeat the process to add a second. These buttons will be how users interact with your bookmarks. Give them a meaningful label like Show Soch and Show Sog so it's clear what each one does. Next, you want to add two individual column elements to your report. This means dragging in your Soch column and your SOG column from the data pane and displaying them separately. These visuals represent the content you'll swap between using bookmarks. Imagine you're creating a toggle between two views. One shows Soch data, the other shows SOG data, so your audience can quickly focus on what's important to them. Now it's time to link everything together using bookmarks in the selection pane. Click on the first element, let's say your Soch visual, to select it. Then up at the top ribbon, head to View. Here you'll find both bookmarks in selection. Go ahead and open both panes as they're essential for this step. The bookmarks pane lets you capture the current state of your report, what's visible, what's hidden at any moment. The selection pane gives you control over which visuals are shown or hidden. Let's set up the first bookmark. In the selection pane, make your Soch visual visible and hide the SOG visual. Then in the bookmarks pane, click Add to create a new bookmark. Name it something clear like Soch Bookmark. This captures the view with only Soch showing. Now select your Soch button and in its action properties, choose Bookmark as the type and then select your newly created Soch bookmark. This means every time someone clicks the Soch button, Power By will jump to the saved state showing just the Soch column. Now do the same for SOG. Show your SOG column, hide Soch, and create another bookmark, maybe called SOG Bookmark. Link your SOG button to this bookmark by editing its action type and selecting the correct bookmark. You're essentially teaching your buttons to remember which visuals should be shown, creating a smooth toggle effect. Before finishing up, it's important to test your setup. In Power By Desktop, buttons work with bookmarks when you hold the Control key and click them. So don't worry if you click and nothing happens at first, just hold down Control, then click each button one by one. You should see the view update instantly, flipping between your Soch and SOG columns. Sometimes it takes a few tries to get the bookmarks set exactly right, so pause and double-check your selection or visibility settings if needed. And that's it. Now you have a dynamic Power By report where users can interact with their data in a more engaging way. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, drop any questions in the comments below, and hit subscribe for more Power By tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.